So hey friends, it's me Techie Prithu. Welcome back in another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you some tips related to panning photography. So I posted a picture on Instagram, some silhouette plus panning. So I got a great response on the picture. So I thought of making a video on it. So without further delay, let's get started. So for this you'll need do these two apps, Snapseed and Afterfocus. Link will be in the description below of these two apps. So let's get into the editing part. So this is the original image, so I'll export in Snapseed and edit. So basically
talk back to you, say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh yeah, take you like a pill. Fill you like a pill to get my fill. No, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say
so just later on we'll export this into Afterfocus and just select the subject.
ठंडी हवा थी जो आई संभालो हमको कभी ना जाए सहलाए संभालो हमको सभी से आगे जाए हम ही हैं उनके प्यारे सभी से आगे जाए ठंडी हवा जो चली उसने सुनी ना मेरी बात वो बहने लगी जागा मैं सारी रात वो कहने लगी कभी ना छोड़ो मेरा साथ कभी ना आना मेरे ख्वाब में जो हफ्ता खफा था मेरा पन्ना सफा था मैं तो चाहता वफा था मुझे बनना दवा पर बैठा खिड़की पे तुझसे नाराज पर फिर चली
So here are the results. So yes, thanks for watching the video and do subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading some regular videos. So yeah, thank you, bye.